Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to swap tokens on Uniswap. So if you also want to swap tokens on Uniswap, this video is just for you. Follow this simple process and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, launch open Uniswap application. You can see over here Uniswap is opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now at bottom right corner, you'll be able to see the option for swap. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can select the token that you want to swap. At the upper box, you'll be able to see a token over there. This is the default token. If you want to change it, simply tap on the token. Now you'll be able to see the option for token over here. You can also search for the tokens. Now simply tap on the token of your choice. Now at lower box 2, you can see the option for select token. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see several options over here. Tap on the token that you want to swap. Now you'll have to enter the amount. You'll be able to see the conversion over here. After that, at bottom you can see the option for review. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, you'll be led to another kind of interface. Review the swap details and then tap on confirm swap. Now what you have to do is go through 3 steps. The first step is to approve in wallet. The second step is to sign message. And the third step is to confirm swap. First of all, in your wallet, approve spending for the token you're swapping. This will require a network cost. If this is your first time swapping the token with the Uniswap protocol, then you will need to approve the token in order to trade it. Now after that, you'll have to sign the message. In your wallet, sign the message. This transaction will not require a network cost. After that, in your wallet, confirm the swap. This transaction requires network cost. Once confirmed, your swap is submitted to the blockchain and is pending. You will see swap success and a green check mark on screen when the transaction is successfully completed. After that, you have successfully swapped tokens. So that is how you swap tokens on Uniswap. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.